Hello, we are the Uncover 3D Modeling team, a startup team that is creating the 3.5 Industrial Revolution. We are operating a platform that distributes 3D modeling of corporate products for free. Visit our site to download all SketchUp 3D modeling for free after a simple membership. We haven't been able to proceed with initialization yet due to the development cost, but it can be used conveniently by using Google Translation function. Please wait a little while until English development in the future. I will tell you a little later why our platform is the 3.5 Industrial Revolution. I've finished introducing the site, so I will explain the project we are working on. Architecture and interior designer need 3D modeling of real products. It's because we had to actually implement the 3D modeling design. Usually, many people use the SketchUp 3D warehouse, but the source and quality were unclear because it was modeling uploaded by an individual. In addition, it was often not available in the designer country, and it was difficult to find a link to the product purchase. As a result, almost all the products were modeled in 3D by individual designers. After the project, the 3D modeling was mainly abandoned. Individuals would spend hours or days, but when these times were collected, a lot of time was being wasted. This issue was taken for granted. It was a pain point that I always felt from graduating from architecture to my current job. We thought about how to solve these problems. I got an idea from watching Fritz Hansen and Vivia distribute 3D modeling for companies. 3D modeling produced by enterprise for production is a resource that is discarded over time. Distributing it to architecture and interior designer will increase the ease of work for designers. And the marketing effect of the 3D modeling distribution will be generated by companies. For this reason, Fritz Hansen and Vivia were distributing 3D modeling, I think. If we create the platform that collects and distributes 3D modeling, we thought it could be a platform for architecture and interior designers. When we formed a partnership by creating a platform with the initial idea, we are recruiting companies without 3D modeling for free. We thought the partnership would be easy because product manufacturer has nothing to lose. However, I faced an unexpected problem. Problem 1. Various industries produce 3D modeling for production, but distributing it was feared to cause design and technical leakage. But what we wanted to distribute was a 3D modeling skin without internal technology. And when we buy only one product and disassembling it, architecture and interior designer have previously produced 3D modeling similarly just by looking at the image. So design technology exploitation is something that's already happening. It's not a new problem with 3D modeling deployment. Also, in the case of design, if you expose the design with brand, the design will be promoted to designer, and the original brand will be remembered, even after seeing the stolen design, so you will be able to protect the design by distributing 3D modeling. Problem 2. Corporate 3D modeling has been considered a corporate asset. 3D modeling created by a company for production, companies use a lot of resources to create that 3D modeling. It was recognized that distributing this would result in the outflow of corporate assets. However, as new 3D technology develop, 3D modeling is stored in companies and eventually discarded. If distribute 3D modeling of companies that are gradually disappearing in value to architecture and interior designers, it will create a marketing effect with discarded resource. The partnership was very difficult due to the problem of each problem. Nearby owner said that the new concept is an impossible platform because it is difficult for product manufacturer to accept it. However, after a long consultation with each company in person, our team was able to form a partnership one by one. And now we have officially formed a partnership with 25 companies. Thank you so much once again. We are moving forward with the 3D modeling distribution of companies that everyone thought impossible. You might have questioned the first part I mentioned. Why is this called the 3.5 Industrial Revolution? With the advent of the fourth industrial revolution, new technologies such as the metaverse developed. But it was hard to realize. Metaverse had too much separation from reality. We think this problem is because the technology has developed it so fast that it separates reality from virtual reality. We think the first industrial era is the future that will definitely come someday. But the current reality still has problems to be solved. The Uncover 3D Modeling project is a platform that produces and distributes real-world products as modeling in the virtual environment. In other words, the virtual product of 3D that we deploy on our platform are connected to real products. If these 3D models are used in the virtual environment, people who have experience virtual environment can remember the product and continue to purchase it later, even if it comes back to reality. Our platform will grow to be a platform that distributes everything from furniture to lighting to sanitary appliances to electronics, cars, airplanes, etc. in 3D modeling. Also, since architect and interior designer now have pain points, I set them as the main users. But I think 3D modeling can be used as game, videos, and webtoon backgrounds, helping to improve the quality of many 3D used contents industries. For these reasons, our team considered the fourth industrial revolution, which was disconnected from existing and reality, to be the 3.5 industrial revolution to advance the fourth industrial era by connecting the reality and the virtual reality. We think our platform will definitely have a huge impact on all content industry around the world. We expect our platform to have a lot of global users, but it is not yet legalization. So we need to measure whether there is a demand from global users. We are still lacking a lot, but if you support us, please sign up for our platform. We will receive investment and develop site legalization, function update, and make SketchUp Ruby. It's free membership, so please sign up. It's simple, but it's big help to our team. We will make sure to repay those who support us. Thank you for watching our video. We're also looking to attract investment, so please contact us if anyone can invest in our team. For every 3D designer in the world, for the upcoming fourth industrial revolution. This was Uncover 3D Modeling, a startup team that changed the world. Thank you.